Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you a quick fix for a common issue in Adobe Acrobat, where send for signatures gets stuck at 72% and never moves forward. Even if you try repairing Adobe, updating it, uninstalling and reinstalling, changing internet network, restarting your PC, it still doesn't work. So let's fix it in a simple way. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Now go to the top left corner menu and then select Preferences. You can also open Preferences quickly using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. Now, in the Preferences window, on the left side, look for Adobe Online Services. Click on it. Find this option, Sync Settings. You will see it is Turn On. Just turn it off. Now close Adobe Acrobat completely. Then reopen it and try again. Go to Send for Signature. Now it should work normally and will not get stuck at 72%. So that's it. This simple fix solved the issue when Adobe Acrobat hangs at 72% during sending for signature. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.